morning, student. Today we discuss about the chapter measurement of national income. In this method, first we take the income method. Before, in previous class, we discussed about the value added method. In value added method, national income is measured first by taking the total market value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country during in accounting. But in second method, income method, in this method, it measures the national income generated among four factors of production in the form of wages, rent, interest, and profit against their factor services. It is the same as estimated by value added method. According to income method, national income is the total sum of factor income received by normal residents of a country during an accounting year. It includes the net foreign income from abroad in domestic income. There are following steps are taken to find the national income by income method. First, we identify the production units who employ factors of production. What are the factors of production? Those factors of production who help in the production of goods and services, which hired from the household sector by the production units in the form of land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. We know these factors of production is the primary factors of production provided by the household, by the household sectors, and household sectors receive the factors payments from the production units in the form of wages, rent, land receive the rent, labor receive the wages, capital receive the interest, and entrepreneur receive the profits. When we sum up these four remuneration or factor payments, we get the national income, which is earned by the normal residents of a country. It includes NFI. In first step, first we identify the production units who employ the factors of production. There are three sectors of production units. Primary sector, which include four subsectors: agriculture, allied activities, fisheries, forest and lodging, and mine. In these subsectors, production units employ the factors of production and produce goods and services. In a secondary sector, there are three Main subsectors manufacturing units are construction, water supply and electricity supply. In tertiary sector, banking, insurance, transportation, education, health, these provide the services and employ the factors of production and paid the factor payments in the form of wages, rent, interest and profits. In second step, we classify the factor payments which received by the factor of production like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. There are three category of classification of factor payments. First, COE, which known as compensation of employee. Second, operating surplus. Third, mixed income. In detail, COE includes wages in cash or salary in cash, which include basic pay, dearness allowances, bonus and others. Second, wages in kind like free accommodation, free lunch, free education of the children of employed children. And third, employers' contribution in social security scheme of the employee like a provident fund, insurance, etc. So there are three components of compensation of employee. When we estimate the national income by income method, we take the COE or three components and sum up these, we get the compensation of employee. Second, operating surplus. Operating surplus is the sum of rent, interest and profit. Or in other words, it is the income received from property like rent, royalty and interest, and income received from entrepreneurship like profit. When sum up these three, we get the operating surplus. Profit includes dividends, corporate tax, corporate saving. Dividend is the part of profits which divided to the shareholders. Corporate tax is the part of direct tax which is paid by the corporate and receive the profit. And other remaining undistributed profit, which is known as corporate saving or retained earnings. So there are three names: corporate saving, undistributed profit or retained earnings. When sum up these three, we get the profit. When sum up these rent, royalty, interest and profit, known as operating surplus. Next, third, mixed income. What is the mixed income? Income of own account workers. Income of own account workers which not maintain the proper account are not classified in the form of COE, operating surplus. For example, income of the farmers, lawyers, प्राइवेट डॉक्टर्स, स्मॉल शॉपकीपर्स, ठीक है, दे रिसीव द इनकम इन मिक्स्ड फॉर्म, इट्स नोन एज मिक्स्ड इनकम. इन थर्ड स्टेप, एस्टिमेशन ऑफ डोमेस्टिक इनकम. Estimation of domestic income by income method or net domestic product at factor cost or NDP factor cost by summing three components like COE, operating surplus, mixed income, which above discussed, then get the NDP factor cost. In fourth step, estimation of national income or NNP factor cost by adding the net factor income from abroad in NDP factor cost, we get the NNP factor cost. There are various steps which have taken to estimate the national income by income method. Next, what precautions are taken in income method? The following precautions are taken to estimate the national income by income method. We know transfer incomes will not be included in income method. Second, income from sale of second-hand goods will not be included because value of these goods already included when first produced. Next, income from sale of shares and bonds will not be included because it is the financial investment only. Indirect taxes are not included because we take the factor payments, excluded the net indirect taxes. Next, fifth, illegal incomes from the smuggling, theft are not included by the income method. Next, imputed value of rent of owner occupied houses is included. Production of goods and fixed assets for self-use by the producing units will be included. नेक्स्ट, अब इस पर आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है, एक दो एग्जाम्पल उसको समझना है. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक द एग्जाम्पल, हाउ कैलकुलेट द नेशनल इनकम बाय दिस मेथड. कंप्यूट नेशनल इनकम. फर्स्ट दिया गया आइटम है सीओई 800 करोड़. सेकेंड, रेंट 200 करोड़. थर्ड, वेजेज एंड सैलरी 750. फोर, नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स -30. take NFIA 6 प्रॉफिट NFIA दिया हुआ है -20 प्रॉफिट 300 7 इंटरेस्ट 100 depreciation 50. Students, we find out the national income from the given information or data. First, we write the formula. National income is equal to by income method COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income plus NFIA. Put the value of these COE 800, operating surplus, rent, interest and profit, rent, interest 300, profit, interest profit 300 है, interest 100 है, plus mixed income is not given, this is 0, NFIA -20, 800 plus 600 minus 20 1380 crore. In this way you calculate the national income by income. You know COE, OS, MI is equal to NDP, factor cost and NFIA. When you add the NDP, factor cost, NFIA, you also get the national income. I hope you have understood this concept of the national income by income method, and you will calculate 5 numericals related income method. Thank you. Okay.